you were ambushed. Yes. You go to parley with Snagg?
I do.
It is not safe. Let us go with you.
No, Snagg is my comrade. He would not betray me.
Then see what he says about this?
A Vanir arrow. If I do not get an answer from Snagg that I can believe, I will lead you to war. Snagg. Is it too late to stop this war?
You must stop your people from attacking the Vanir.
I've seen no proof my fellow Cimmerians are responsible. I do have proof that the Vanir have attacked my people.
Conan, the Vanir have not attacked anyone. The Cimmerians are lying.
Those are Vanir arrows!
Probably stolen by some thieving blue body.
Big talk from a stinking fish eater!
Cimmerian pig!